Hey guys, down at Eaglet Lake, just outside of Willow River. If you want to bring the kids up here and see something wicked and totally amazing, it's nature at its finest. I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you right now.
No.
The entire shore of the entire lake, anywhere you stop, the red-sided shiners are either spawning or they're eating some spawn of another fish. But you can go anywhere around the lake right now and see this. Bring the kids. We're just standing on a rock. Right here, there's my rock. And the entire shore is full of this. So get down here quick and see nature at its finest. And take the kids fishing.